In this demo, we are going to write a Python function that returns the number of repeated characters in the input string. For example, for the book string, we should return 1 because only the character O occurs more than once, whereas for the AABBCDE string, we should return 2 since both the characters A and B occur more than once. For this task, we will use Snippy, which is an extension of projection boxes. Projection boxes provide an immediate view of the program's runtime state. Here, each column in the box displays all values a particular variable holds at that line during the execution of the program, and as the program is modified, these values are updated immediately. Snippy extends projection boxes with the ability to give values directly and generate Python snippets based on those examples. In this case, we start by counting the occurrences of each character in the input string and storing them in a dictionary. However, instead of getting the count manually, we use Snippy by assigning the operator ? to the variable count. This adds that variable to the projection box and places the cursor at the first entry of that variable, allowing us to set the values directly. As we modify each value, we can press Tab to move to the next example. Providing more than one example is optional, so the highlighted rows display which examples will be used in generating the code snippet. After providing the examples, we can ask Snippy for a matching Python snippet by pressing Enter. Here, Snippy used the examples we provided to generate a statement counting the number of occurrences of the given character using the input string's count method. Since Snippy is accessible directly within the editor, we can easily combine calls to Snippy with writing code by hand, as you see here. However, Snippy can generate complex Python expressions, including list and dictionary comprehension. So in this case, instead of writing the code manually, we can actually ask Snippy for the dictionary containing the character counts in a single step. Snippy can generate this using a dictionary comprehension in just a few seconds. For the next step of this task, we can use Snippy to filter the values in count to only those that appear more than once. Since writing out the dictionary again can be tedious, we can provide a default value, in this case just the counts variable, by writing a Python expression before the ? operator. This pre-fills the projection box with the values of that expression, which we can then edit more quickly. Providing only one example can sometimes lead to generating Python code that is correct for that example, but does not generalize to other cases. Here, we intended to get a dictionary containing only the characters that appeared in counts more than once, but Snippy suggested a snippet that returns a dictionary containing only the second character of the input. Since Snippy works within the text editor, adding a new example is as simple as calling the function with a new input. Here, you can see that the new example appears as a new row in the projection box. And by providing both examples, Snippy correctly generates a dictionary comprehension over the values of the counts variable. Finally, we can complete this task by finding the length of the dictionary of duplicate characters and returning it as the final result. We ran a user study testing Snippy and found that users find Snippy easy to use and would like to have it available when programming. You can find the details of the study and analysis of the results in our paper.